As a service-based business owner, how many clients are slipping through your hands because they don't even know you exist? Being great at what you do isn't enough anymore. If your business is invisible, it's invisible. And if you're invisible, your competitors are getting ahead, scooping up clients that could have been yours. So over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can flip the script and go from invisible to being the go-to authority in your market with a system that works 24/7 to generate consistent leads, clients, and revenue. I'm Julian Wallace. I know exactly what it's like to feel invisible. For years, I was grinding and doing everything I could to get noticed, doing cold calls, door knocking, and even spending money on ads that went nowhere. But nothing worked consistently and the frustration was real. It wasn't until I cracked the code and built the Authority Creator system that everything changed. I went from struggling to get clients to generating 20 to 45 qualified leads a day. I scaled my videography business to multiple six figures a year, and then I scaled my consulting firm to $30,000 a month in just 30 days. And this system didn't just work for me, it's worked for my clients too, and that's what I'm about to show you. Most businesses today are relying on outdated methods, cold calling, door knocking, or hoping for word of mouth referrals. Here's the thing. Those strategies are not scalable. They're inconsistent, unpredictable, and leave you feeling like you're always chasing clients instead of attracting them. We live in a digital world where attention is everything. And if you're not leveraging modern strategies to put your business in front of the right people, you're losing clients every day. And if you're stuck relying on old tactics, you're leaving yourself vulnerable to competitors who are using more efficient methods to reach your target audience. But the good news is it doesn't have to be this way. The Authority Creator system is the proven framework that positions your business as the go-to authority in your market, allowing you to attract warm, qualified leads and convert them into paying clients. Here's how it works. Step 1, we start by defining your ideal client's pain points and goals. When you understand exactly what your audience needs, you can create content that speaks directly to their problems and solutions. This positions you as the authority, the one with the answers. Next is step 2, where we script, film, and launch highly targeted paid ads. These ads reach the people who need your services the most and bring them into your ecosystem where your content nurtures them into warm leads. Then is step 3, where we start conversations with everyone who engages with your ads or follows you from your content. These are not cold leads. They've already spent time with you through your content, making them warm, qualified, and ready to take the next step. Then it's step 4, where you book calls directly with the people who you genuinely can help. By now, your content and ads have built trust, so closing the deal becomes natural and effortless. And then finally, we're on step 5, where you close the deal and repeat the process. This system creates a consistent flow of qualified leads day in and day out. In fact, I use this exact process to generate 20 to 40 qualified leads every single day, and you can too. One of my clients, Kevin, an insurance broker, was just like many business owners, stuck doing cold calls, door knocking, and spending money on ads that didn't convert. He was frustrated, working harder than ever, but still getting nowhere. After implementing the Authority Creator system, Kevin saw a 5x ROI on his ad spend. He went from chasing clients to having them come to him on Autopilot. Now Kevin is on track for his highest revenue month ever, and his business has completely transformed. And then we have Casey. Casey had already launched his creative agency and had clients coming in making around $2,000 a month. However, he knew he had the potential to grow faster and needed a proven system to scale his income and consistently attract high-ticket clients. After implementing the Authority Creator system, Casey scaled quickly to over $20,000 a month in revenue, fully booked with premium clients, and is now turning down jobs that don't align with his vision. If he could do this with his new business, imagine what you could do with your established business. And then we have Chidi. Chidi came to me as a successful real estate photographer who wanted to expand into coaching. He already had years of experience in real estate and a strong personal network, but he needed the right system to package his expertise and attract high-ticket clients. After implementing the Authority Creator system, Chidi quickly leveraged his existing reputation and connections to generate over $50,000 in cash from his new coaching business in just 60 days.
In the last pretty much 60 days, I've done a little bit over 50K cash collected in my coaching business, and a lot of that was attributed all to the stuff I learned directly from buying Julian's program.
I've been exactly where Kevin Casey, and Chidi were, feeling stuck, frustrated, and on the verge of burnout. I tried every tactic, spent money on ads that did not convert, and felt like I was always one step away from breakthrough but never quite getting there. But here's what changed. In the last 12 months alone, I've personally spent $27,386 on paid ads to market my small business and generated about $250,000 back. That's a 9x return for every dollar I spent. On top of that, I've invested over $50,000 in mentorships to learn the skills and strategies necessary to package all this together into one proven system. I've taken years of trial and error and condensed it into a framework that's designed to get you results faster with far less frustration. Right now, I'm offering free roadmap calls to business owners who are serious about scaling their business and becoming the go-to authority in their market. During this call, we'll dive into your business and create a roadmap for how you can start generating consistent leads using the Authority Creator system. But here's why you need to act fast. I only have 3 spots available this month for new clients to work with me personally. These spots will fill up quickly, and once they're gone, they're gone. So if you're ready to stop chasing clients and want to start attracting them, DM me a roadmap on Instagram to book your call now before those spots are gone. Do you really want to look back a year from now and be in the same position that you are now while your competitors leave you in the dust? Or do you want to take this opportunity to become the most known in your market while attracting your dream clients like a magnet while you sleep? The choice is yours.